Why Templeton looked where others wouldn't. Imagine walking into a store where everything is 90% off, but everyone is running out the door instead of in. Most people would assume something must be wrong. Sir John Templeton saw those moments differently. He believed that when fear reaches its peak, opportunity often hides in plain sight. Templeton didn't become one of history's greatest investors by following the crowd. He became legendary because he was willing to look where almost no one else would. During the early days of World War II, while panic gripped the financial markets, he borrowed money and bought shares in more than 100 companies trading for less than $1. Many believed the world economy was finished. Templeton believed that fear had pushed prices far below their true value. Years later, that bold decision became one of the greatest examples of contrarian investing ever recorded. Here's what made Templeton different. He understood that markets are driven by human psychology as much as by numbers. When investors become overly optimistic, they tend to overpay. But when fear takes over, they often sell valuable businesses simply because everyone else is doing the same. Templeton knew that the crowd is usually most emotional at exactly the wrong time. Think about everyday life. Whether it's investing, starting a business, or changing careers, the biggest opportunities often appear uncomfortable. Most people wait until everyone agrees something is a good idea. By then, the opportunity has usually become expensive. Templeton's greatest lesson wasn't just about buying stocks, it was about developing the courage to think independently. That doesn't mean buying every falling stock. It means asking better questions. Is the business truly broken, or is the market simply afraid? Are you making decisions based on facts, or are you being swept away by headlines and emotions? Great investing begins when you stop reacting like the crowd and start thinking for yourself. Templeton often said the 4 most dangerous words in investing are, "This time it's different." Markets change, technologies evolve, and economies rise and fall. But human emotions remain remarkably consistent. Fear and greed continue to drive decisions just as they did decades ago. The next time everyone is looking in one direction, pause for a moment. The greatest opportunities may be waiting exactly where no one else is willing to look. That's the mindset that transformed John Templeton from an ordinary investor into one of the greatest investing legends of all time. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more timeless investing wisdom from legends like John Templeton, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Howard Marks, subscribe to the channel and join us for the next episode. Sometimes the most valuable investment you'll ever make is learning how the greatest investors think.